What are the things you would need in order to have a successful business? In order to have a successful business, the first thing you will need is control on your own mind, control on your own self. You might have heard the saying, "I'm not happy with myself," which shows us that I and myself are not one but two different things. So you want to be happy and you want yourself to be happy. And the way to do that is control over your mind, and that comes through meditation. If you meditate, if you focus, if you learn to focus, you will definitely be more successful. The easiest way to meditate is just close your eyes and watch your breath coming out of your nose. And calm yourself down. Try to do this for 1 minute, then 5 minutes, then 15 minutes, and take it up to an hour a day. It's the best exercise for you to focus. One of the biggest challenges as an entrepreneur, as a business person you would have is you will have a billion new ideas. I want to solve this, I want to solve this, I want to solve this. But you will need to learn to resist these ideas and not do everything, but just focus on one thing. Because if you don't focus, you will end up doing nothing, and you will stretch yourself too thin and not end up solving one big problem. So learning to focus would be very, very important, and controlling your mind is very, very important. Another tool which you will need is to control your emotions. If you don't control your emotions and you get angry on every small little thing or big thing with your friends, with your co-founders, with your mentors, with your parents, with your friends, you will not be able to focus on your business. So you need to learn that emotions are just temporary. They come and they go away. They come and they go away. You can focus on just one thing. When you get angry, stop everything, take a walk, go out for 15 minutes and come back. Remember that when you're angry, you're not yourself. You can't think properly. It's like being high on some drug or on alcohol. So when you're angry or you're upset about anything, don't take a decision. Take a break of 15 minutes, take a toilet break, take a walking break, whatever. Just take a break and go out there and change your atmosphere so that your mood changes and you become normal. Then you will be more successful.